Guys, I wanted to share an update on my face with my scrubs and the horse oil and everything. You guys see, the acne is almost gone. So, like I said, the horse oil I do use at night, and then this is the scrub, guys, that I use daily for the imperfections. I just wanted to keep showing you guys, giving you guys, because in a minute, these spots is going to be absolutely gone. And I do my scrub over my eyes and dark circles. And also use the scrub. You got your vitamin E oil in there. You don't have to really put a moisturizer on your face afterwards. But this is the scrub. So if anybody new checking on this video, I create this scrub, and this is the stuff that I use on my face. So remember I told you guys, so I use this daily. So this is the sugar, honey, lemon, turmeric, vitamin E, a little bit of nutmeg. But the recipe, I did it for you guys live as well. You kind of get under your chin. But I put this on, and then the honey acts as an anti-aging too. So I put this on and leave it, and then I jump in the shower. But I just want to give y'all real updates so y'all can see that you guys can achieve real results, because I would say in a couple more days or so, these spots are going to be permanently erased. So I just wanted to give you guys update on the face scrub and how those spots is looking, because somebody was like, you do the videos but you never do a before and after. So I kind of want to walk y'all through the journey of having amazing skin. Thank you guys so much. It feels amazing too to do it. And remember, you can do your lips too. Get some of the crust off, exfoliate. Then I have stuff left on my hands. I can actually scrub it on my hands too. It's all natural products. So I wanted to share that with you guys. The update on my skincare routine, and show you guys that it really works. So if it's somebody that really want to see, because I know you guys, you want before and after. So those spots is almost gone. Thank you guys so much. As always, God bless. Hi guys, these are some still shots I wanted to share with you guys. Get up and use that scrub every day, and I would say in another 7 days, I think that all of the scars is going to be gone out of my face. Wanted to share that journey with you guys live. And also, this is updates on, somebody asked about my hair. How's it doing? My hair is doing very well, and yes, I still use the all natural herb product in my hair, heated brush when I take it down and then get it rebraided. But my hair is doing fine, guys. So that's an update on natural hair.